Can I use a different brand of battery for my key fob replacement?
Hello there. Today we're going to dive into a common question many car owners have. Can I use a different brand of battery for my key fob replacement? This topic might seem a little technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down into simple and easy to understand sections.
What is a key fob and its battery?
Before we get into the meat of the matter, let's understand what a key fob is. A key fob is a small, security hardware device with built-in authentication used to control and secure access to network services and data. In the context of cars, it usually refers to a small remote or transmitter that activates functions like unlocking doors and starting the vehicle remotely. The heart of this remote functionality is the small battery inside the key fob. These are typically lithium button, coin cell batteries, which can last several years under normal conditions.
Can I use different brands of batteries?
The simple answer is yes, you can use a different brand of battery for your key fob replacement, as long as the replacement battery is the same size and voltage as the original. This is because the brand of the battery doesn't affect its ability to power your key fob. The crucial factors are the battery size and voltage. These must match the original specifications to ensure proper function and fit. So, it doesn't matter if you switch from a Duracell to an Energizer, for instance, as long as the replacement battery is the correct type and voltage.
Are there any risks?
The potential risk with using a different brand lies primarily in the quality of the battery. All batteries are not created equal, and some lesser-known brands may provide a shorter lifespan or inconsistent performance. So while you can use a different brand, it's important to choose a reputable one. You may end up changing the battery sooner than expected if you opt for a cheaper, lower-quality option. But as long as you're using a well-known and trusted brand, you should not face any issues. To wrap things up, yes, you can use a different brand of battery for your key fob replacement as long as you ensure it's the same size and voltage as your original battery. Remember to opt for a reputable brand to ensure quality and longevity. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion you may have had about key fob batteries. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.